Hello guys, my name is Irina, I'm yoga instructor, and today we will be doing a routine for abdominal pelvic region. So follow me. First exercise which we are gonna do is warming up. So you lay down on your yoga mat and you bend one knee and extend the other leg, and then you change the legs. Change the legs. You breathe through your nose. Exhale. Exhale. And then we are complicating the routine. We are lifting up the head and changing the legs. Okay. Hold your legs and push them to your chest. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Put your feet on the ground and we are going to do now the exercises. Put your right leg over the left one and put your left arm over the right one. And what we are going to do, inhale, exhale, and like this 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, hold your legs, and change the size. Now the left one is above the right, and the right is above the left arm. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax on the floor and push your legs to the chest. Very good. Now put your arms to the sides and inhale here. Exhale, the legs go to the right and the head goes to the left. Stretch here. Take 3 breathings. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. That's 3. Inhale up, exhale, twist. And that's 3. Come back to the center. Take your legs and do some rolling ups. And sit. The next exercise we will do is the boat posture. For the beginners, it's preferable to do it like this. Hold your legs and take 5 deep breathings here. Through the nose. We are breathing through the nose. 2. For those who find this easy, you can stretch your arms like this and stay here. That's 5. Go down and we will repeat it 2 more times. Inhale, like this, or like this for advanced students. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, relax. And one more time. Inhale, exhale. So you are doing like this, next step, or like this. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bend your knees. Rest yourself on the floor. Put the right leg above the left. Extend your arms. Inhale in the center. Exhale, the legs go to the left and the head goes to the right. And stretch yourself. Inhale. Change the legs. The left above the right. Inhale in the center. Exhale. Stretch. Inhale in the center. Hold your legs and do some rolling ups. And sit yourself on your yoga mat. So, you can do this routine anytime, and if you do it like every day or dedicate like 3 or 2 or more days in a week, during a week, I guarantee you will get a result. The power will, abdominal pelvic region, the yoga. Stay with me, subscribe to my channel. Bye.